At number 1, we have the ASUS ProArt X870E Creator AMD AM5 X870E. Building a heavy-duty workstation requires a foundation that won't buckle. The ProArt X870E Creator is equipped with 16 plus 2 plus 2 power stages to keep high core count Ryzen processors stable during marathon rendering sessions. You'll notice the massive connectivity upgrades. The rear panel packs dual USB 4 ports alongside both 10G and 2.5G Ethernet jacks, ensuring massive files move in a flash. Wireless duties are handled by a modern Wi-Fi 7 module. The aesthetic takes a sharp turn away from standard gamer hardware, featuring tone-on-tone black with metallic gold touches for a clean, professional look. For storage, you have access to 4 M2 slots, complete with ASUS's Q-Release and Q-Slide mechanisms for tool-free installation. The primary weakness here is the onboard audio configuration. The rear panel only offers 3 audio jacks, meaning a full 7.1 setup requires routing through your case's front panel.
At number 2, we have the ASRock Z890 Taichi. When you are piecing together a premium Intel system, cutting corners on the motherboard simply is not an option. The Z890 Taichi is built to maximize the LGA 1851 socket, utilizing an incredibly dense power phase configuration to keep the latest Intel processors fed during heavy overclocks. ASRock slapped large functional heat sinks over the VRMs to pull heat away from critical components. If you have ever fought with a lack of fast storage expansion, this board fixes the issue decisively. You'll find a staggering 6 M2 slots across the PCB, including a blazing M2 socket wired for PCIe Gen 5 speeds. Network connectivity is equally stacked, offering a 5 Gbps LAN port alongside a 2.5 Gbps port, plus Wi-Fi 7 for wireless duties. 2 Thunderbolt 4 Type-C ports handle high-bandwidth peripherals. Visually, the board leans into its industrial namesake with copper-colored gear images etched directly into the rear I/O shroud. The audio hardware features a high-end ESS Sabre 9219 DAC with dedicated WiMA capacitors. However, there is a notable caveat on the back panel. You only get 2 3.5mm analog audio jacks. The ASRock Z890 Taichi OCF. Premium performance without compromise. At number 3, we have the Gigabyte X870E Aorus Master. Anyone who pushes an AMD chip to its limits knows the value of rock-solid stability. This board secures your CPU with a 16 plus 2 plus 2 twin digital VRM design, utilizing 110A power stages. The build process gets a massive boost here. The M2 EZ Match magnetic design lets you snap SSD heat sinks into place. You'll also appreciate the PCIe EZ Latch Plus for freeing your graphics card without scraped knuckles. The rear I/O is fully loaded with dual USB 4 Type-C ports and a Wi-Fi 7 module for cutting-edge networking. The only catch? Filling the lower PCIe 5.0 M2 slots will force your primary graphics card slot to share bandwidth, dropping it from full X16.
At number 4, we have the ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Hero Intel. This flagship board refuses to compromise with a massive 22 plus 1 plus 2 plus 2 power stage and an enormous heatsink with a U-shaped heat pipe to keep it cool under pressure. Storage is dense with 3 PCIe 5.0 and 3 PCIe 4.0 M2 slots, plus dual Thunderbolt 4 and future-proof Wi-Fi 7. Unlock its full potential with exclusive AI intelligence for overclocking, cooling, and networking. Building your dream PC is easier than ever with tool-free PCIe and M2 installation. The premium experience starts from the moment you unbox, with all the accessories you need and iconic ROG swag. The ASUS ROG Maximus Z890 Hero. A true hero for your high-performance build.
At number 5, we have the MSI MEG X870 Tomahawk. This is a solid pick if you want high-end AM5 features without paying the extreme premium of flagship tier boards. The MAG X870 Tomahawk anchors your system with a 14+2+1 duet rail power system utilizing ATA smart power stages. An extended heatsink design keeps the VRMs chilled while an 8-layer server-grade PCB ensures clean signal routing. MSI included several weirdly specific brilliant design choices to protect your hardware. The motherboard features avoid collision notification paint rings and color-coded the internal headers. You'll find dual PCIe 5.0 M2 slots, Lightning USB 40G ports, and Wi-Fi 7 on board. While it does omit 10G Ethernet, the MSI MAG X870 Tomahawk delivers exceptional performance and features for the price.